Good morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. It is the 8th of September. Exports have just come out. We're going to go straight to those right now and look, starting with cotton. Net sales of 116,100 for the 2017-2018 crop. Vietnam took 47,900. South Korea took, Mexico took 13,300. Bangladesh took 12,000. Looking at shipments of 164,300. Reaction of the market, cotton before the report was up 32. Right now it's up 40. That market is currently dealing with Hurricane Irma moving up toward Florida and possibly up into the southeast U.S. where cotton is still vulnerable to rain and wind. So the market is nervous about that at the moment. I think that's the dominant news that probably didn't pay any attention to this particular news. So let's look at beans. 2016-17 is net reductions of 366,000. So we're seeing rolling forward there. Let's see what the 2017-18 numbers would show. Well, net sales of 1,523,000 metric tons for 2017-18, and I'm not seeing the breakdown on this. They've kind of listed this upside down. It looks like unknown destinations taking 452,000. So anyway, that's the number. And the bean market was up 2.5 before the report. Right now it's up 2 3/4. Corn finishing out the year there, 358,600 metric tons. Looking for the new crop in corn. It says a total of 1,010,500 metric tons in sales were carried over from the 2016-17 marketing year. Net sales of 1,480,000 metric tons were reported for 2017-2018. So that's what the large part of that number is rolling forward, but that's what that figure is, and it's a big figure. The corn market up 1.5 pennies at 356 and 3/4. Corn has moved up slightly there also. Wheat net sales of 375,500, down 30% from the previous week, down 26% from the 4-week average. South Korea took 75,500. Nigeria took 70,500. Japan took 69,500. The wheat market, since the report just came out, is down slightly there. Let's take a look quickly at recent price history and going back and looking at cotton. The news there has certainly been dominated by hurricanes in recent weeks. Hurricane Harvey coming up through the Gulf and into South Texas, destroying quite a bit of that crop in South Texas. And now we're dealing with Irma and the possibility that Irma could move up through Florida into Georgia and get into some cotton that's certainly vulnerable, and a lot of cotton in southwest Georgia. Over the past month, the cotton market has moved up 900 points from a low a month ago of 66.64 to a high Wednesday of 75.65. Market currently now is nervous. It's moving up in December. It's December up 38, March up 22. So it is. It's just having to deal with this, the hurricane and changes that we're seeing on the path. And this has changed in the last 2 days quite a bit. And it continues to move to the east, which is more damaging path for the market. Expectations, when this all settles down, I would think the likelihood is we'll start moving lower, back towards 70 cents. And ultimately we might move in a couple of months. If everything finishes out nicely, we could move into the mid-60s. Now let's look at soybeans, corn, and wheat. We've seen better demand there. Speculative short covering, even speculators getting long. And we had a period there where there was talk of an early frost, and that also helped the market firm up. The biggest rally was in soybeans, a 56-cent rally from 977 and up to 977 and a half. Corn has seen an 18-cent rally up to 362. Wheat's had an 18-cent rally here recently up toward 448. Expectations there. The seasonal trend in grains has been pretty consistent over the years, and that would point toward right in the time frame of the 1st of October. We normally see a low, and we're right now poised to see this market sell back off some, and I would expect that to happen. One last look at the markets. Cotton up 39, up 38, up 39, 74.66. That's 6 to 7 cents higher than it was before the report came out. Soybeans up 2, it's about a half-cent lower. Corn's up 1, it's about a half-cent lower. Wheat is right now down a quarter, and that would put it a penny and 3/4 lower. So that is the E3 Weekly Market Report with the report on the exports. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.